Welcome back, guys. The 12 days of deals is not even finished, and we get a major leak of from Harbor Freight on the next year's January parking lot sales, starting on January 12th for Inside Climbers and everybody else to on January 16 going to 19, and we could kind of look at it. And we could, if we zoom in, let's just zoom in, guys. Here we go. It's January 2026. And we can see the dates listed. So it looks extremely correct. And as you know, it may change your mind. And so, but let's take a look what we're getting. You got snap-link pliers. You got swivel headlamps for $9. We got digital tire inflators. More gloves, as always. But let's take a look. We're going to get 30% off all Icon hammers, pry bars, and hex key. Says finally it's time to get that Dominator. Remember, the really big pry bar is US made Dominator by Mayhew. So it's a rebranded Icon, and it's going to be cheaper than getting it directly from Mayhew. So it's time to go get the USA made one as well. We got 30% off Maddox and all shop tools, equipment, and diagnostic. That's going to be great to get time to stock up on some new diagnostic welders. Every welder, jump starts 30% and 40% of paint equipment. Again, they're pushing lots on the Predator. We got a great 300, another 300, more paint, and 73-inch Icon toolbox here, guys. $500 off. And as well, we got more Daytona jacks. And if you didn't get your Daytona Jack 3, the low profile, it's not the extended low profile, which is the better one, I think. But still, $70 for $130. You can't beat that. And get some more. There's dry ball extractors for $19. Great set here. You can always use more. So let's take a look at page 2 again. We're getting more. Again, if you don't go on day 10th on this Sunday, that's December 21st, to get, if you're looking for a new toolbox 72-inch, it's going to be for $500 off. If you miss it, you'll get $400 off. So still a great deal, but go get it on the 12 days of deals if you can. We got 3-ton jacks, Pittsburgh for $99. Again, Daytona is much better to get. You get the Yukon drills, and we get some more professional Icon tool sets, the interchangeable pulley set, as well as you got your ball joint universal press for $100, $40 off and $45. The lights, this light is amazing. I just got it on the last sale, so for $34, again, great. It was a little bit better with a 40% off a couple of weeks ago, but again, these two lights are amazing. This one does, the battery I find goes out a little bit too quickly, but great, fully magnetic, and it's pretty large as well. More power tools, Hercules. We get some saws, compressors, Bauer batteries, more. Again, pressure washers, nice hose, paint guns. Again, this is always great to stock up on your cloths. And you got some flush cuts, saws going on, and then on the last page we got all the welding items. We got welders, tables, additional shelves, solar panel, more Predator if you need generators, as well as central magnetic. Oh, I can't say magnetic. And you got back on the paint, high pressure paint spray. Now I'm actually go pick this out because when I went last time I missed it. It was all gone. So you remember, guys, if you like this context, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Put in your comments what you're excited about. Do you like the 12 days of deals, or you like the parking lot sales better? And which tool are you going to go for? I'm definitely going to go try to get the new hammer and get that Mayhew extra long pry bar. Thanks for watching.